Dear students, I hope you must have enjoyed the Diwali day very well. It is lecture number 4 of the living world. We were discussing the branches of biology. We have already discussed the alphabets A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Today we come to alphabet H. Number 1, hematology. It is the study of blood and its diseases. You know, blood is a mobile connective tissue. It is a false connective tissue. The study of the blood and the related diseases to the blood are studied under the branch that is called hematology. Next is hepatology. Hepatic word is always associated with liver. It is the study of liver. Then helminthology. It is the study of flatworms and roundworms. Flatworms belong to platyhelminthes and roundworms belong to ascalminthes. Herpetology. It is the study of amphibians and reptiles. You know, reptiles are divided into snakes and lizards. The study of the snakes is called serpentology. And the study of the lizards is called saurology. S-A-U-R-O-L-O-G-Y, saurology. Then it is histology. It is the study of tissues. To study any organ at the tissue level, that is called histology. Horticulture, very important branch. It is the study of gardens and orchards for the cultivation of flowers, fruits, vegetables, and ornamental plants. Gardens and orchards for the cultivation of, for the development of, for the propagation of flowers, fruits, vegetables, and ornamental plants. Please don't sleep. Coming to hypnology. It is the study of sleep. Beta, alpha, gamma, whatever the waves are, that we will be studying a little bit about the sleep, but maximum of it you will be studying in your own medical college. Again, this is herpetology, this is histology, this is horticulture, this is hypnology. Again, the study of blood and its diseases, that is called hematology. Study of liver is called hepatology. Flatworms are included in phylum Platyhelminthes, and roundworms are included in ascalminthes. So all this, platyhelminthes, that is the flatworms, and ascalminthes means the roundworms. Now coming to herpetology. It is the study of amphibians and reptiles. The study of the snakes is called serpentology, and the study of lizards is called saurology. The study of tissues is called histology. Then comes horticulture. It is the study of gardens and orchards for the cultivation, propagation, and development of flowers, fruits, vegetables, and ornamental plants. The study of the flowers, very important. It is called pomology. Study of the fruits is called, the study of the flowers or the cultivation of the flowers is called floriculture. And study of the fruits is called pomology. And the study of or culturing of the vegetables is called olericulture. So this is floriculture, and this is fruits, and this is vegetables. Again, horticulture. It is the study of gardens and orchards for the cultivation of flowers, which is called floriculture. Fruits, it's pomology. And vegetables, it is olericulture. The study of the fruits is called pomology. Now, hypnology. It is the study of sleep in detail, deep sleep. Students, now we come to alphabet I. Ichthyology. It is the study of fishes. We'll be studying in animal kingdom also, and we will be studying about fishes in the strategies for food production. Then it is immunology. It is the study of immune system in the body. That is immunity. It is the resistance to the disease. There is a full detail in our syllabus about the immune system in the body. Then comes, it is fishes. I've told you, it is immune system of the body. Then comes karyology, karyon. It is the study of nucleus. Then comes kinesiology. It is the study of movement and locomotion of the body. Then comes limnology. It is the study of freshwater fauna. Fauna means animals. And flora means plants in freshwater ecosystems like ponds, lakes, rivers, streams, etc. All come under freshwater ecosystems. Ichthyology, study of fishes. Immunology, immune system. Then karyology, nucleus. Kinesiology, movement and locomotion. Limnology, it is also called freshwater ecology. Freshwater ecology. It is the study of freshwater fauna and flora. These ecosystems, freshwater ecosystems, include ponds, lakes, streams, rivers, all ditches, all they are included in freshwater ecology. Students, now we come to the alphabet M. Malacology. It is the study of mollusks. Then I have already told you about the microbiology. That is, it is the study of microbes. It is also the main branch of biology. Then morphology. It is the study of the external structure of an organism. And actually it should be called external morphology, because anatomy is the internal morphology. It is the study of external structure of an organism. Then mycology. It is the study of fungi, decomposers. Then comes myrmecology. It is the study of ants. Then we come to the alphabet N. Nephrology. It is the study of kidney. Kidney is made up of a large number of subunits called nephrons. Nephrons are the structural, or nephron is the structural and functional unit of kidney. Then in neurology, it is the study of nervous system. Nervous system includes neurons, brain, spinal cord, cranial nerves, spinal nerves. All these things we study in neurology. Again, malacology, it is the study of mollusks. Microbiology, it is the study of microbes. Morphology or external morphology, it is the study of external structure of an individual, of an organism. Mycology, it is the study of fungi, not fungi, it is fungi. Myrmecology, it is the study of ants, the study of the ants. They help in pollination also. Then comes nephrology. It is the study of kidney, nephrons. And then study of the nervous system, that comes under the branch that is neurology. Students, today we have studied the alphabets. H, I, J letter does not mean any branch. K, L, M, and N. Or in other words, what we can say, today we have studied from H to N. Then next time we will be studying the branches of biology, starting with the alphabet O, P, whatever it will be. Thank you very much. So this is called evolution. It means it is the, we can say, students now we come to the with the modification. Alphabet, Charles Darwin told, urology, descent